It's dead low now at the moment, so I'm making the most of the low tide to look for some lobsters whilst we can. I'm gonna kit up and I'll see you in there. One very nice sized lobster. Can't really see it in the light very well. There. No, the crocs. Nice lobby. 2 mullet. One here, one down here, and then a nice bass right at the end, which I was waiting to get, but happy with the lobster. Look at that, the size of it. Big tail on it as well. Check the tail, free from V notches. well as the prawns. We've got smoked sausage, sweet corn, and potatoes in there as well. I don't have a pot big enough, so I've had to use a wok, but then I'm putting it all in this bag and then I'm going to seal it up. All the juices should stay within that bag. Lobby. Stir it in there, tail curled up. Corn, smoked sausage, corn on the cob, potatoes. Right, then on top of that, I'm going to add the sauce. Copy on, see what happens.
Got off my roll as well. All got a lazy in there as well.